What's up guys? I hope all is well with you. Celes here and welcome back to another episode of your daily dose of workouts. I'm so excited to share with you this fitness program because this fitness program hits multiple muscle group that promotes multiple health benefits in one go. This will only require you 30 minutes or less than an hour in your busy schedule. In this video, we have 6 compound movements, 2 of which is for Tabata. I will only demonstrate the first set and you will be the one who will continue for the next few more sets. Pwede mo kasabayan or you can just watch over, but it's more good to go if sasabayan mo ako for the first set so that you will get the feel on how to do things right. For beginners, we have 3 sets and then for advanced, it's required to go for sets. Okay? So if you're ready and I know that you're excited, here's your full body workout just for you. For our first workout, here's double hop skip rope. This is an ultimate fitness tool that helps you burn major calories. If you don't have a rope, you can still sweat on by faking it and jumping along with me. This movement improves your coordination, your cardiovascular health, and your breathing efficiency. This is also a great booster for this whole workout regime. Next is a double squat pulse with twist to press. To start with the hip width apart legs, weight on front of your collarbone, elbows in, and core tight. From there, do your squat with 2 pulses. Then twist your upper body to the side as you press the weights overhead. Don't miss to also twist your ankles so that your joints also develops mobility. This compound movement works on multiple muscle groups across your whole body. This mainly focuses in the strength of your legs, build firm glutes, sculpt your obliques, strong arms and shoulders, and promotes an active posterior chain. Repeat this movement up to 10 pairs, then rest for about 30 to 60 seconds. Number 3 is a deadlift to bicep curl with a pilates bands. I've got mine from Ace online shop, but don't worry if you don't have one. You can also use loop bands, dumbbells, plates, or water bottles at home. To do this, maintain a stable spine and then push back your hips for the deadlift. And as you rise, keep your elbow aligned under your shoulder when you lift for bicep curl. This will help you isolate your bicep muscle and contract more for your muscle endurance. Number 4, we will be having a 30 seconds high knees. I have included this movement so that more than boosting your cardiovascular health, toning muscles, and building up muscle strength, you can also develop your agility, your coordination, and your overall endurance. Do this as fast as you can or lessen the tempo depends on your fitness level. It is always important to listen to your body, so it's okay to stop or rest when needed. Repeat from the top, and now this is on you. 3 sets for beginners and 4 sets for advanced. Each workout, we're gonna have 30 to 60 second rests. And after the sets, you have 2 to 3 minutes before proceeding to the Tabata. For our Tabata, we have 2 exercises. First is front reach plank and second is cross crunches. Do not hesitate to try it together with me. Both of the movement promotes core stability and core strength. During this workout, maintain a tight core and make sure to squeeze your glutes when doing the plank reach. Maximize your rest period for 10 seconds. For cross crunches, do not slouch your back. Better if you will lift your chest up for better posture. Keep the elbow facing on the side and do not pull your neck. Another rest for 10 seconds and repeat from the top. This is our second set, so you can try it with me now. Rest again for 10 seconds. Great! Now we have 2 more sets to go. Just set up your timer. And rest when needed. Continue on until the very last set. And that's it. Great! I know that you will completely gonna be awesome with this workout. Before you execute it on your own, here are a few reminders before anything else. Number 1, please make sure that you rest when needed and listen to your body. If 30 seconds to 1 minute rest is not enough for you, you can still go further rest, pero wag naman sobrang tagal, no? Number 2, drink water and always keep yourself hydrated during the workout, especially now na mainit sa labas kung mag-workout ka outdoors and sa loob ng bahay. And number 3, always observe your safety during your workout. Okay? And thank you so much for your time and for watching this video. Let me know your experience by sharing it with me in the comment section below. If you like this and this program works for you, please care to like this video, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to keep you posted with my latest upload. Again, this is Celes, your home fitness trainer, and I'll see you again next week. Have a great day and God bless.